Agua de fresa, by the way, if you're wondering. Patiently waiting for the dogs to have their conversation. Hey pretties, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Tanya and I film all kinds of girly videos. I normally like to upload every other day or so around 10 a.m. So you can look for an upload at 10 in the morning, you know, or you could just turn bell notifications on because that would make it a lot easier for you. In today's video, we are reviewing the new MAC Spring 2019 collection. I asked you guys on a poll on my Instagram what video you guys wanted to see. I normally let you guys decide a lot of things on Instagram, so if you're not following me there, I would suggest you go and follow me over there now. New MAC collection, we have a bunch of little cherry blossom looking products. They are really cute. They are pink. You guys know I review everything pink on my channel, so if you find something pink, tag me in it because more than likely I will run and buy it and do a video on it. With an eyeshadow palette which has a bunch of really beautiful spring colors in it. They came out with some MAC matte lipsticks, and you guys know I love the matte lipstick formula from MAC. Both of the colors are pink and I'm excited to try them because I love pink lipstick. And they also came out with 3 glosses and they are all different shades of pink. And we have 2 opaque ones, 1 iridescent one. There will be swatches overlaying right here for you. There is a cherry blossom scented Fix Plus. You guys know MAC has done their thing with the Fix Plus. They definitely have been coming out with a lot of different scented Fix Pluses, and I've gotten my hands on quite a bit of them. I love me my Fix Plus, so I am excited to have another one. I decided to kind of throw this in this video because it has the same theme and it got to me around the same time, and it is the Cargo Tokyo in Bloom eyeshadow palette, which has a little cherry blossom theme to it as well. Very spring appropriate, so I kind of wanted to see if we could incorporate it somehow in this video. I also wanted to share it with you guys. If you guys are interested in seeing this collection, how it applies my opinions, just go ahead and keep on watching. One right here to start out. Morphe M441 for that. I'm gonna go in with this Cargo shadow right here in Sakura, and I'm just going to pop that all over the outer part of the eye. Okay, I don't really feel like that did very much. So moving on, I'm gonna take this color right here in the MAC palette and we're just going to put that in the outer part as well. And then I'm gonna take this color right here called Shibuya, I believe. I'm pretty sure I'm butchering these names, but we're just taking that from the Cargo palette and deepening up that outer corner a little bit more. I'm going to take a clean blending brush and I'm going to blend everything. I'm going to take the color Ginza right here and start working that all over the eyelid as well. Okay, so that's not very pigmented. Yeah, I think these colors are a little dark for that. So instead I'm gonna take this MAC one right here. But it's kind of like flaking off. So I'm going to take some of the Fix Plus. That is much better. This is actually such a beautiful shadow. I'm loving how this looks already, so I don't want to like add anything else. I really like how this looks. So I'm going to go ahead and do some winged liner, and I will be right back. I went ahead and applied my lashes. Again, these are from my lash line, as I say in every video, and that is linked below always. I went ahead and did my foundation, my contour, my concealer, everything, because we obviously don't have any face products in this. Most of it is color except for the Fix Plus. I'm just going to move along and try some of these products. So we have this beautiful ombre looking like blush thing, so let's go ahead and pop that on. I'm just going to use my Sigma large angled contour brush. This is the F40. Looks really pigmented. Now I'm scared. There we go. It is very pigmented. I'm literally using the softest hand that I can with this because it's very pigmented. Wow, that's like, I feel like that was way too much. And I just realized I haven't finished underneath my eyes, so I'm going to do that really quickly. We're going to use the same browns that I use in the crease underneath my eyes. And I'm just using a Morphe brush for that as well. Violet Tilbury mascara. I hate how I said that. Mascara. I have, I believe this is like a highlight. This is, oh, I didn't even tell you the name of this. Oh wow, this is saddening. I wish I would have never touched it. Really pretty ombre effect to this. It's just an overspray. Can't believe it's an overspray. Why is MAC doing oversprays? I thought that was the drugstore's job. Next we have a highlighter. This is called Spring Bling. The other one was called Floor Real. And it says highlight powder, but girl, that is way too pink to be a highlighter. So this one also says highlight powder, but this one looks like more like a highlight powder. It's also an overspray. It is. What on earth is going on? A bronzer underneath this highlighter. Can you guys see that? This was all shiny like this, and this is where I swatched it for the intro. It's really disappointing, MAC. I gotta use this overspray as a highlighter, I guess. It's like really gold, so it's actually super pretty, but it's like an overspray, so it's like, what? Do you guys see how beautiful that is? Except I feel like it's too dark for my skin now, because now I'm looking at it and it's like, no. Grab that part that doesn't have the shimmer. Yeah, it's dull. It's like definitely not as shiny. Like, look, there it is. I see like nothing. So this is the overspray. This is what's underneath. So confused. Is there like a description? I'm gonna go look up a description real quick. Hold up. It's a highlighter on it. You would assume it's a highlighter. But do you guys see that streak on my cheek? I'm like, nah, no. It says about it. While I drink my agua de fresa from El Rancho. To be fair, the swatch does show how the product underneath it looks, but that was just very, that was kind of horrifying. Really say like, hey, this is actually a bronzer and a highlighter, but then again, maybe my complexion is just not the right complexion for this product, so I'm gonna try to dust away as much of it off my face as I can. That wasn't too hard to do. Products are pretty, like to display in your collection. If you like to collect makeup, or you want to spend $30 for a product to just sit there, you go, girl. I mean, honestly, we will definitely be using this as a summer bronzer. This is obviously a blush. I mean, you can't deny it. It's definitely not a highlighter. It has like that burgundy shimmer, and then over it, it's actually a very light pastel kind of pink, which looks almost white, and this is not going to be very good for medium to deep complexions. So unless you want to look washed out, I would not use that product. Sorry, the dogs are barking per usual. Okay, now we're going to take, I actually really like this palette. I think this is my favorite thing in this collection so far. I'm going to take this little light color here. We're going to highlight the inner corners of the eyes. Let's go ahead and apply the lipstick and finish this video. I will probably be using my own blush and highlighter for this because I just don't trust those that we just used. Let's see how it looks. Oh, this looks a lot like Snob. This looks like a look I would have worn in like 2012. I kind of feel like the pink's washing me out a little, so I'm just gonna apply a little bit of lip liner. It's really pretty shade though. Oh, you know what? I actually think with some lip gloss, this will look really nice on my skin tone. This look is giving me big time Juicy Daily vibes. If you guys have been around that long, you know what I mean. So we have all these glosses, but I really don't want to take away from the lip color we have going on, so I'm going to use the clear iridescent one, which is called For the Thrill of It. The other two, we have this hot pink one, it's called Cherry Mochi, and the other one is called Heart Melter, which is like a mauve color. Usually I would go for the mauve color, but I don't want, like I said, I don't want to ruin the lip color we have going on, so let's use this clear-ish one. And I've always been a big fan of MAC lip gloss because it's not sticky and it lasts a really long time. I am back, and overall I am absolutely loving the look. It takes me back to my OG YouTube days when I used to wear nothing but pink lipstick and gold eyeshadow. I'm going to go ahead and give you guys my overall opinion on all of the products, even though you kind of already got the memo, but you know, just a little overview. Favorite things from this collection are definitely the palettes and the lip products. I mean, I love the Fix Plus, but it's nothing crazy different besides it smells like cherry blossoms. But you all know I love my Fix Plus. So speaking of like the color products, yeah, definitely the eyeshadow palette and then the lip colors. The lip colors are really beautiful, and I love the packaging of the entire collection. MAC never fails to have the cutest packaging. Definitely, I'm going to have to say I would pass on the face products. I don't care for them. I don't think I will use them again. I might try this as a bronzer, but that's about it. It's not fair enough to use this kind of a blush after the overspray is gone. The overspray was a little disappointing, as you guys saw as well, so definite pass on those. Anything else I had no issues with. The lip glosses are beautiful. They are nice, soft, not sticky. The same lip gloss formula that MAC usually has. Patiently waiting for the dogs to have their conversation. I know we did dip a little bit into the cargo palette. I did like what I used. It was just seemed like the shimmer or sheen shades, whatever, satin shades, whatever you want to call them, they just didn't have that for me. I'm not really the kind of person that uses a lot of satin shimmery shadows. I like things to either really pop or be matte. So that's just my personal opinion. But if you really like more subtle satin or shimmer shades, you would probably really like this. I have no complaints with the cargo palette. I also don't want to judge it because I don't feel like I use that many colors in it, so I definitely want to continue to test that and try it out. That's everything for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave me this emoji right here if you stayed until the end of the video. Alright, I love you guys so much. I will talk to you in the next one.